We have a special laptop here today which is out of this world. Here is the ASUS Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition. This special laptop commemorates the 25th anniversaries of the first ASUS laptops sent into space. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fastway episode 55. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. Let's dive into the unboxing. The Space Team laptop has a unique unboxing experience. Inside there are two separate boxes. The first box kept the ASUS Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition laptop, some holographic stickers, and documents. The next box is more than just a box. It has a 100-watt power brick, a power cord, and a USB-A to LAN dongle. The box itself can be turned into a laptop stand for a more ergo typing. It also comes with a foil light sleeve case which matching with the laptop theme. Let's move into the laptop. At first glance, you will notice a unique 3.5-inch monochrome OLED display on the laptop lids. It is customizable to show animations, themes, messages, and even personalized name card with a built-in QR code generator. It also features space-exclusive design graphics with a special 0G titanium color. ASUS even added a Space Edition's boot-up screen. You'll find some Easter eggs like a location's coordinates that lead to ASUS corporate HQ in Taiwan, Morse code characters that translate Ad Astra per Aspera, which is meant to the star through hardships, and the space logo on the keyboard spacebar. Why not? The backlit chiclet keyboard has a 1.5mm key travels that's pretty comfortable to type. It also features numberpad 2.0 baked into the touchpad. The cosmic themes didn't stop here. The laptops comply with the US Space Systems Command Standard SMC-S-016A testing protocols, meaning that it's capable of withstanding extreme vibrations, 4 times of standard military-grade durabilities. It can also operate in extreme climate above and beyond the military-grade capabilities. In simple terms, this is the laptop to bring if you're going up to the space. On the laptop right side are a full-size HDMI 2.0B and 2 Thunderbolt 4.0 ports that support display output and power delivery. While on the left are a USB 3.2 Gen 2, a 3.5mm audio combo port, and a micro SD card reader. You may overlook it if I didn't point it out as it blends well with the vents on the side. Coming to the internal, the ASUS Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition is configurable up to Intel 12th Gen Core i9H series processor, Intel Xe graphics, 32GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and 1TB PCIe 4.0. You also equipped with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2. The ASUS Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition is equipped with a dual fan cooling system, which incorporates 2 heat pipes to keep the laptop consistently cool. The glossy 14-inch 2.8K resolutions OLED touch display has a 16:10 aspect ratio with the support of a 90Hz refresh rate, 550 nits peak brightness, and a mechanical webcam privacy shutter by a press of a button. How cool is that? The panel produced 100% DCI P3 color gamers, Vesta certified display, HDR True Black 500, Pantone validated, and SGS IK display. The bright screen handles colors and details well like any other ASUS OLED display. It's perfect for content creations as well as media consumption. It also pairs with Dolby Atmos and by the audio expert at Harman Kardon. For now, I know nothing about the pricings nor the availabilities of this laptop. According to ASUS Malaysia, it should be arriving somewhere in late April or early May. This is gonna be a special edition release, so do expect a slight premium to pay over the Valina ASUS Zenbook 14X OLED. It's interesting to know how much would you pay extra for its cosmic designs and features. A more complete written review will be made available on my website. Link will be in the description box below. That's all from me on the ASUS Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.